everyone, so let's move towards our today's topic, which is
eyeball. Okay, now we have already discussed about eye orbits, and we have already discussed about the extraocular muscles which are controlling the movement of the eye basically. Now what happened, the eyeball is present in the orbits, okay, and it is the most important organ because it helps in vision, and due to this organ the sense of sight will be occur, okay. And now this eye consists of three layers. Number one, outer layer, that is outer coat, which is fibrous layer. The middle coat, which is also known as vascular layer, and the inner coat, which is also known as neural layer. Now in this lecture we will gonna talk about outer coat, but before that I would like to tell you something very important, that this whole eye is divided into two segments, the anterior segment and the posterior segment, okay. The anterior segment is and this anterior and posterior segment is basically, this whole eyeball is divided by the help of a lens, because inside the eye there is a part, or there is a structure which we will discuss in the next lecture, and that structure is lens, okay. So basically that lens is dividing the eye into two parts, into two segments. In front of that lens the area is called as anterior segment of the eye, and behind that lens the area is called as posterior segment of the eye. And one more point, this anterior segment, which is in front of the lens, that is further divided into two chambers, anterior chamber and posterior chamber. And how it will divide? Due to the presence of iris. Iris is a structure which is present in the anterior present in the anterior chamber, anterior segment, and that is dividing the anterior segment of the eye into two parts, anterior chamber and the posterior chamber. Now moving towards the outer coat, outer layer, and that outer layer, like I said, it is also called as fibrous layer. That outer coat consists of two parts, okay. Obviously outer layer है, एक ही layer होगी, but it consists of two parts. The posterior, that whole outer layer is divided into six parts, okay. You can consider it like that, so you will easily understand that. Okay. Anterior six part is called as cornea, and the posterior fifth sixth part is basically called as sclera, okay. The outer coat is it consists of two parts. The anterior most part is called as cornea, or in other words anterior 1/6 part is called as cornea, and the remaining part is called as sclera, or the posterior part of the outer coat or the fibrous layer is called as sclera. Now first we will gonna talk about sclera. Sclera is basically thick posteriorly, and when it comes anteriorly it will become more thinner, and anteriorly it is continuous with the cornea, and posteriorly it is continuous with the ड्यूरा मैटर. पोस्टीरियरली क्या होता है, जो ऑप्टिक नर्व है ना, वो आई बॉल के अंदर, रेटिना के अंदर आने की कोशिश क्या करती है, वो आती है. बेसिकली ऑप्टिक नर्व फाइबर्स आते हैं. सो बेसिकली इट विल पास थ्रू दैट आउटर कोट, इट पासिस थ्रू द स्क्लेरा, विच कॉजेज दैट के वो जो पॉइंट है जहाँ पे ऑप्टिक नर्व एंटर हो रही है स्क्लेरा में, दैट पॉइंट इज़ द वीकेस्ट पॉइंट ऑफ द स्क्लेरा. एंड obviously, like as you know, that whole optic nerve is covered by dura mater, so that sclera will be form a continuation with that dura mater posteriorly, and anteriorly, like I said, it is connected with that, it is continuous with the cornea. Now this sclera is basically vascular layer. Vascular layer means it consists of blood vessels, and it also provide the surface for the attachment of extraocular muscle. Okay, and as you know, extraocular muscles are for the help of the movement, which they help in the movement of the eye. Now, like I said, that sclera is continuous anteriorly with the cornea. So basically, there will be a meeting point between sclera and cornea, and that meeting point is called as limbus. This is the most important point, and you will see lots of MCQs that what is the meeting point of the sclera and cornea, and the answer is limbus. Okay, now this whole sclera which we have talk about, this whole sclera is covered by a capsule, and then that capsule is called as टेनन कैप्सूल. ठीक है, वो टेनन कैप्सूल कहलाता है, और वो टेनन कैप्सूल कहलाता है. और एंटीरियरली जो पूरा पोस्टीरियर पोर्शन है स्क्लेरा का, वो तो वो जो पोस्टीरियर पोर्शन है स्क्लेरा का, वो तो टेनन कैप्सूल से कवर होता है. लेकिन एंटीरियरली जब आप अपनी आँख को देखते हो, so when you will see your eye, you will see the white portion. That white portion is basically covered by conjunctiva, and that covering is on the scleral portion. Okay, that is the sclera. Okay, and you will see a black circle inside your eye. That black circle is called as cornea, or you will also say that pupil. Okay, so you have to remember this point, which is very much important. Okay, now moving towards the cornea, which is another part of the outer layer, outer coat, which is also known as fibrous layer. Now cornea is transparent, it is avascular, and it is more convex than sclera, and like I said, it forms the 1/6 part of the eyeball. Cornea is supplied by ophthalmic nerve, and it consists of following layer. Now in cornea you have to remember the layers, and you have to remember the name of the layers, because these are very important. And to remember the layer, it is a mnemonic. There is a mnemonic I have made for you all, and that mnemonic, that shortcut, is basically a sentence, and you have to remember this sentence, and that sentence is: cornea is the best student, madam. Okay, you are basically, it is like that ke you will easily memorize this sentence ke you are saying to them, you are saying to your teacher, you are saying to madam, you are saying to principal that cornea, which is the student of your which is your class fellow, you are telling her that madam, cornea is the best student. So you have to remember this sentence, that cornea is the best student, madam. Okay, so basically cornea ke C से corneal epithelium. Okay, corneal, the C of cornea represents the corneal epithelium. The B of best represents the Bowman membrane, and student, the S from the word student is indicating substantia propria, and the D from the student, the D is representing the deciment membrane, and the madam is basically representing the mesothelium. So the M from the madam word is basically representing the mesothelium. So first layer is corneal epithelium, then Bowman membrane, then substantia propria, then deciment membrane, and then mesothelium. And the mnemonic, then the shortcut is the sentence, and that sentence is basically cornea is the best student of madam. Okay, cornea के C से corneal epithelium होगा, बेस्ट के बी से बोमेन मेम्ब्रेन होगा, स्टूडेंट के एस से सब्सटेंशिया प्रोप्रिया होगा, स्टूडेंट के डी से डेसिमेंट मेम्ब्रेन होगा, और मैडम के एम से मीजोथेलियम होगा. सो दिस वाज द होल टॉपिक रिगार्डिंग आउटर लेयर. वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट मिडल लेयर एंड द इनर लेयर इन द नेक्स्ट lecture. Till then, work hard, study hard, and good luck. Bye bye. Thank you.